My name is Sharon White. I'm 65 years old. I live in Malakoff, Texas. I have been diabetic for 25 years and on insulin for 20 years. My husband passed away about 2.5 years ago. 10 days later, I found out that my kidneys had failed and that I needed help. So I started dialysis the first week of November in 2006. I have been going to the same dialysis unit for 2 years. My children encouraged me to check into the transplant program. And I went to some of the sessions that they had, and they were very informative. They were done by the people in the transplant office. And we just decided that was the way to go, that the dialysis was very hard on my body, and I think that people that are on dialysis a long time lose their spirit, is the way I put it. They lose the fight that they've had always. And so you have to go through some tests, and pretty extensive tests, and take care of your health. I had to give up Coke, I had to give up coffee, and they have a real specific diet on the dialysis when you're on dialysis. But that wasn't near as hard, it wasn't hard at all when I realized what the end would be, that I would be able to eat normally without sugar, and that I would be healthy again and be able to travel and see my grandchildren and do some things that I wanted to do. But I had a real good experience with it. Excellent doctors, excellent nurses, a lot of encouragement, a lot of personal care. I went to East Texas Medical Center, and they were wonderful. I had a private nurse for 24 hours who went into nobody else's room but mine. They sterilized my room so I didn't have to be in intensive care. It wasn't real painful. Believe it or not, it wasn't real painful. I stayed in the hospital 5 days, and then I was able to come home and just started my healing process. It just gives you back your normal life that you didn't have before, because dialysis takes so much out of your body. You come home, most people come home and you just are down for the rest of the day, and it just limits your capacity to do anything. But it's just a wonderful thing to be able to do what you want, what you should do, what you want to do. It's just a life-changing thing.